Hi everyone, welcome back. From this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to watch list and how to weave it. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to add a product. I'm going to add this Samsung Galaxy S6 tab. Here you can see the heart is black. If the heart is black, it means we didn't add it yet. In here you can see red hearted. It means I have added those things to the watch list. So now I'm gonna turn this into red color. Just click here. Now you can see it turned to red color. Now let's see whether it has added to the watch list. At the bottom here you can see it has added. And that's how we add a product to a watch list section. And if you want to see this more enlarged way as single product view, you can click this buy now button and leave it as a single product view. Likewise with all the details. That's how simply we add a product to a watch list. Now let's see the coding part, how to do this thing. Here's the watch list part which I add to home page. From this query, I will take all the data of watchlist table where the product ID is equal to the ID of product data and where the user email is equal to the email which we taken through the session UI. If those two emails are equal, we will take the values as num rows and assign those values to this $watchlist num. And through this if condition, I will check whether the number of rows, it means the value of this variable is equal to 1. If it is so, then we will go through this part. And here I have start this on-click button to this add to watchlist function by taking the value of ID of $product data. And here this is the icon of heart. I have given ID also, heart ID, where I take the value of ID $product data. And if the watchlist num is not equal to 1, we will go through this part. In here also, as the same way, I have started the on-click event for the function add to watchlist. And as the same way, I have start this icon by giving ID heart by taking the value through this $product data. Now let's see what's going on in this function add to watchlist in JavaScript part. Here's the add to watchlist function where we take the value through this ID. And here I have start this new XML HTTP request to the variable R. And through this already state change of variable R, we will take the value of the anonymous function. If the ready state is equal to 4, we will take the response text of variable R and assign that value to the variable T. Through this if part, if condition, we will take whether the T is equal to the text of added. If the variable T has the value of same as this text, then we will go through this part where the text change its bootstrap color. It means it's red color, and it means we will take the value through this ID, and again we will reload the same page, home page. Otherwise, if the T is equal to the removed, then we will turn that heart into text dark. It means the black color, and again reload to the same page, home page. If these do not happen, we will display the T, just alert T. And in here, there is something special that we don't use any form to send data to the Watchlist process page. We directly send those things through the get method by taking the ID. Now let's see in the Watchlist process page. In here inside the PHP script, first of all I have start this session and connect our page to a database using this connection.php, and using this if condition I will check whether the IDU of $session is null or not using this if set. If it is not null, then we will go through this part, and again I will check whether the value of ID of $get is not null. If it is also not null, then I will go through this part. I will take the value of email of $session IDU and assign that email to the $email variable, and also I will take the value of ID of $get and assign that value to the $PID. And from this query I will take the values of watchlist table where the product ID is equal to the $PID and user email is equal to the $email. And again, as before, I will take those values as rows through this num rows and assign that value to the $watchlist num. Using this if condition, I will check whether the watchlist num is equal to 1. If it is so, then we will fetch that row and assign those values to the watchlist data. And by taking the ID value of watchlist data, I will assign that value to the $list ID. And in this query, then I will delete watchlist. I delete the product where the ID is equal to the $list ID and display removed. If not, then I will insert the new product ID to the watchlist by updating this product ID using email, product, parts of the database by taking the values through $PID, $email and display added. And we will echo this something went wrong, please try again later, or if we couldn't take the value of U, we will display please login first. This is the simple way how I add product to a watch list. And thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.